Welcome to this tutorial on how to install LangChain. Whether you are just starting with Python development or diving into advanced AI workflows, LangChain is an essential library for building powerful AI-driven applications. In this video, I will guide you step by step through everything you need to get started. First of all, what you will need is the Python above 3.7 version that should be installed on your local computer. Then you should have any ID, any platform to code. It could be Visual Studio Code, it could be PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, whatever. And the last one, of course, you should have all the LangChain modules or packages installed on your PC. So it's very simple and quick process that I'm going to show you. So let's dive in. To install LangChain and run your LangChain project later, I would recommend you to create a separate project folder and create a virtual environment inside this project folder. In this way, the LangChain will not conflict with any existing modules or packages that you have installed with your base Python. So how you can create your virtual environment? It's pretty simple. For that, you would need to have access to the command line. So I'm currently in the Visual Studio Code. For that, here it's very simple. I need to add the command prompt, and here I can start creating an environment. Alternatively, you can open the Windows and type cmd, open the command prompt, but make sure that here the path corresponds to your project folder, right? So the path should be the same. Yeah, and you can run your commands here alternatively. So how to create the virtual environment? For this, you would need to run the command python -m venv and the name of your virtual environment. In this case, it will be env. Okay, click run. You can see that the virtual environment is created in your project. And the next step would be to activate your environment. So if you are in Windows, you would need to use this command. Just make sure that this part corresponds to your name of the virtual environment, right? In my case, it's just env. If it's called differently, just make sure it's renamed. Then you activate the environment. You can see it pops up here. This is for Windows. If you're on Mac, you may need to use this command. Again, everything will be under the description for this video. And once you activate the environment, you need to install all the relevant packages for LangChain, right? So for this, you would need to use the familiar pip install. And then what you need to do here is to install LangChain. This is the base module. The langchain-core, the module that provides the core functionality for the LangChain. The langchain-community provides you the extra functionality that it was created by the community users, by other users, right? And langchain-openai and langchain-anthropic provides you the access to the OpenAI and cloud models to work with. The langchain-chroma and langchain-hub, they're basically optional modules that give you more access to the LangChain functionality, but it's more nuanced one. But make sure it's also installed because you may use it in the future. So then what you need to do is click run, and the process will start. So it may take you around 5 minutes or even less to get all the packages installed. So the packages have been successfully installed. What we can do now is we can test if everything is successful, right? So we can create the Python file. In this case, I'm using the Jupyter notebook file embedded in Visual Studio Code, which is very convenient. I would recommend you to do the same. So now you need to select the environment, and it will be env. Then you can type the code. And let's import the LangChain, right? So it recommends you to install all the relevant package to run your new environment with the Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, you click install. And once it's installed, what we can do is we can print the version of the LangChain, right? And as you can see, it works successfully. So that's basically it. Now you have the LangChain installed. In the next videos, I will show you how to work with the functionality of the LangChain and how to build your first AI application. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you soon.